SuperPay.me a legit way to make some extra cash online, or is it a waste of time? Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of this platform so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video. Let's begin this video with even who can join this platform. So this platform is available worldwide. You can join from no matter the country you live in. Okay, so now let's talk about the earning opportunities which we have on this platform. So the first earning opportunity we have on this platform are paid surveys. There are a lot of paid surveys available. So let me click on top surveys and offers to show you. So as you can see, like Peanut Labs, Revenue Survey Wall, Bit Labs, Your Surveys, and if you see like Peanut Labs, you can I want to show you some surveys. So see, as you can see, like for 20-minute survey you'll get 47 points, and for 15-minute survey you'll get 35 points. And you can update your profile on other platforms as well, and you can get other surveys as well. There are a lot of paid surveys available on this website. Okay, now let's talk about the other earning opportunities which we have in terms of offer walls. So there are a lot of offer walls available, and in these offer walls you should know, like, you can earn also by watching videos, but for that you need to go to Ads and Media, and here you will get the options to watch video and earn if you like watching videos. Like for example, if you see, you have to click on videos here and you can start earning by watching videos. You have to just click on it and you can start earning by watching videos. And you can also earn by surveys, by installing some of the apps and other stuffs, by doing some playing games or something like that. It depends on country to country, but generally there are enough offers for all locations. Okay, and apart from that, I also wanted to tell you about the survey walls. Like we have here CPX Research. Here you can also complete your surveys, and generally they are running promotion on a particular offer wall, like here you can see. And apart from that, they keep on posting the promo codes on their social media platforms, which is a great way to earn some amount of money from here. And generally you need to keep an eye on their social media accounts in order to see the platform, and then you can do your you can invite some of your friends and you will get a 25% of your referral earnings, which is generally higher compared to many of the GPT sites available, which is very great. And apart from that, they have some great cash contests, like $1,000 contest, which actually means like within a month the member which has completed most number of offers and has earned most number of money will get the $1,000 cash contest winner. So which is great. And if you talk about help, you can get the support tickets going on if you need, and there are quick guides as well on how to use this platform. And I've shown you the video section as well. You can watch by earning videos by playing games. To play games you need to go to all offer walls, and there are enough number of offers available. Let me show you on AdGate some of the offers by which you can earn. Like you can see, like jailbreak, you can complete the quiz and you'll get these many points. Finance surveys there, food puzzle quiz. So there are a lot of things which are available here. Now let me show you one more thing. I just wanted to show you that they sometimes have some really good offers. So if you see, my completed offer was a consumer survey which was worth $9.30, which is generally a very high amount for a single survey, which I completed. And as you can see, I have been paid already $50 from this website. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that they might want to verify your account once in order to, like, because since see, they do have a lot of scam. Don't try to cheat them with VPN or anything, because they will block you immediately. So they want to verify, and generally that verification process takes 60 days. But after that you start receiving your payments very quickly, and the minimum threshold for PayPal is $1. So let me show you the cash out methods. See, 1 point is worth 1 cent. So that means 100 points is worth $1. You can convert your points to cash and then you can redeem for PayPal Cash, which is minimum $1, and Skrill also $1. For Bitcoin it's $2,000. Okay, and it also depends on country to country. You can have maybe different, some more payout methods. So all in all, superpay.me is a very legit website, and let me show you the payment proof as well. Okay. See, so the recent money they've sent it to me is 9.33 USD dollar, which is a great amount. So that's how superpay.me does pay. It is a legit way to earn some extra cash online. So I highly recommend this website. You can earn a good amount working on this website. It depends how much you can make. It depends on the amount of time you're spending on this website, but it does have some great offers. Okay, so if you decide to join this website after watching this video, I'll leave a link below in description. You can join it from there. Thanks for watching this video.